Hello everyone, welcome back again to my channel. I hope you all are doing perfectly fine. Today I share with you this simple Ghanaian party style jello rice recipe which you're going to love very well. So if today being your first time on this channel, hello, this is Cooking with Efia. Please do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Now let's dive right into the video. So to my big pots, I'll go in with my cooking oil. Feel free to use any cooking oil of your choice. Moving forward, I'll go in with some chopped onions. I'll fry until it loosens up a little bit. Remember to do this on low medium heat to achieve the perfect results. Alright, so after the onions has loosened up beautifully, just the way you see it on your screens right now, I'll also go in with my spaghetti. You can also use any brand of your choice. I am using Oba spaghetti. So I will mix it all together. Allow the spaghetti to also fry on low medium heat until it turns into a golden color. But since we are making yellow rice, I'll be going in with my homemade curry powder. If you don't have curry powder, you can substitute it for turmeric powder, because basically curry powder is made up from turmeric powder. Alright, so I'll give it a gentle stir, cover it and allow it to steam or fry until it turns into a golden color, just the way you see it on your screens right now. At this point it is ready, so I'll go in with my rice. I am cooking for 10 people, so if you're making a mini party at home, then this rice recipe is one of the recipes that you need to try your hands on, because trust me, your guests are really going to love it. So don't worry, also I'm going to be listing everything in the description box for you to check it out. Afterwards, I will give it a gentle stir, just the way you see it on your screens right now. And as you can see, the yellow color is really popping very well. If you want it more less, then you need to go in with less curry powder. All right, so I'll give it a good mix, add some water to it, stir very well and check for salt. If it's not enough, you can go in with more salt, and since I don't even have any salt in it, I'll go in with just about 1.5 tablespoons of salt. Give it a gentle stir, cover it and allow it to cook. And remember to be cooking your rice on low medium heat so that you can achieve the perfect results. And when cooking this type of rice, it's as if you're making jollof rice, so you need to be checking on it frequently and also be stirring to make sure every part of this rice will cook very well. Right, so now let's cover it and allow it to cook. Whilst that is going on, let me also use this opportunity to thank you all my returning subscribers and new foodie members right here. You guys are amazing. Thank you for always liking my videos, sharing and commenting on my videos, fam. I am very grateful. If you haven't given this video a thumbs up yet, baby, what are you waiting for? Kindly give this video a thumbs up. Share this video also to reach wider audience. Thank you so much for doing that. Alright, so after giving it a quick stir again, I'll cover the rice with some parchment paper to help retain the heat inside so that our rice will cook very nicely. And this is after 10 to 15 minutes of covering the rice with some parchment paper, and as you can see, it's looking all good and just perfect. At this point the rice is ready. But as for me, I love a little bit of crunch or veggies in my yellow rice, so I'll be going in with some scallions or spring onion just to give it more color and also a little bit of flavor. I will give it a quick stir, just be gentle with the stirring. At this point I will cover it on low medium heat for about 5 minutes, and afterwards it should be ready. All right. All right, so while that is going on, if you haven't still subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Please do well to subscribe to my channel, Turn on the post notification bell as well, so that anytime I upload a new video, you'll be among the first person to be notified. And at this point, our rice is ready. So now all that is left is for us to serve ourselves and enjoy. Thank you so much for watching this video to this point, and if you enjoyed to this point, that means you are always a proud foodie member. Do well to subscribe to my channel and be part of this beautiful family. Thank you so much for watching, and kindly stay blessed. Bye.